Ruffles. If you've been following me for some time, you already know, I love Ruffles so much. So in this video, I will show you a very easy way to make them. Very beginner friendly. So let's do this. Alright, before we jump in, a very small theory. Ruffles are basically when you take a longer piece of fabric and attach it to a shorter one. That extra length has nowhere to go, so it gathers. And yeah, that's your ruffle. That's it. That's really it. And that's literally how I understand it in my very small and stupid brain. Alright, let's actually make it. We're gonna make two types of ruffle. Let's start with the first design. For example, in this design, I have a skirt. And I want to make a ruffle on top of it. Well, as you can see, I want to sew along this line, which is around 130 millimeter. So I need to make a rectangle ruffle pattern, which is bigger than 130 millimeter. Remember, the bigger the ruffle pattern, the more gathering you'll have. So I create a rectangle with a width of around 520 millimeter. And it's not any hardcore rule. You can just basically make it way longer or maybe a little bit shorter. But remember to make them bigger than 130 millimeter. And just sew the top segment of the ruffle pattern with the internal line of the skirt. And that's it. You get your first design. Now, the most important part, make sure to set the particle distance of the ruffle pattern below 5 millimeter. I love to keep it at 2 millimeter and simulate. Isn't it amazing? Sure it is. Now, you can see how simple it is to make a ruffle. Let's make another design so you can see the possibilities of creating different types of ruffles and apply them to your own garment. Alright, with the same technique, create a rectangle pattern bigger than the place where you sew the ruffle. This time, I will add an internal line on the ruffle pattern. So select this line, right-click, offset as internal line. I'm going to keep it around 15 millimeter. And again, these are not any rule. You can add the internal line wherever you want on the ruffle pattern. Now, sew the internal line of the ruffle pattern with the skirt pattern. And you may adjust the pattern a little bit and simulate. And the same way, decrease the particle distance a lot. And boom, you have another design. It's really simple, and I really hope you understand it. Alright, cool. Now, once you understand this very simple technique, let's go creative and make ruffles, tons of ruffles. It's really fun, and I really love it. And remember guys, ruffles only look good with very low particle distance. And there are many different types of ruffles, but the core technique is simple. And if you want to create this design shown in this video, click here to watch the complete step-by-step over 1 hour video. And I am pretty sure you will learn a lot of things. Alright, thanks for watching, and special thanks to all my members. You guys are awesome.